Hi, during this video I'll be showing you the different ways to use hyperlinks within PowerPoint. First, we start with hyperlinking to a website. As you can see here, the first bullet point is already hyperlinked to Google, and if you hover over it, it will show you the exact destination. As you can see, it will take you to google.com. How do we do this? First, we highlight the text that we want to hyperlink, and then you can either do it through here, through link, or by right-clicking, and then you can find link here. Or the third way is by going to insert and then link. Insert link. And then here you'll specify the exact address you want the user to go to if they press on it. So let me copy a web address that I want this destination to be. Press OK. As you can see, it turns into a hyperlink, and if I press on Control and click on the link, it will take me to the website. The second is hyperlinking to a file. You do it by highlighting on the text again, and then press link, insert link, and then here again you choose the first option, which is existing file or web page. Then let's say I want to link it to something on my desktop, and I'll link the Excel vids Excel. What you should know here is if you're sharing this presentation with someone else and they don't have the folder in the exact same location, then they won't be able to open it, and you might want to utilize cloud storage and so on so they're able to access it. The third is hyperlinking to another slide. Let's say I want to hyperlink to the fourth slide here, so I will highlight it and then I'll press link, insert link. This time I'll pick place in this document. Here you can see the exact slides that are within the PowerPoint. You can also have the options to choose the first slide. Let's say if you want to have an option to always go back to the first slide, so you put a home icon here or whatever you want. Or if you want to go to the last slide to end the presentation, the next slide, instead of clicking through, we'll use icons and the previous slide. Later on, I'll show you an example of the next slide. But for now, as I said, I want to go to slide 4. So I'll pick it and then press OK. Now, as you can see, if I press Control and press on it, it will take me directly to slide 4. If I want to go to a specific image or an arrow icon or whatever, then I'll just put it in my slide, right click, press on link, and now here I said I want to go to the previous slide if I press on this. So now if the presentation is active, you'll be able to see it, and if I press on it, it will take me to the previous slide. Another option is hyperlinking to an email address, and here you can do it in two ways. The first is by highlighting the text and then pressing link, insert link. Here we'll pick the last option, or in the email address section, you put mail to, and now you add your address and then the specific subject you want, if you want to stick to one subject, and then test. Press OK. Now if you press Control and press on it, it will open an email that you can send with the specific subject. Another is by simply just write your email within the slide, and it will automatically hyperlink the email address. As you can see, it hyperlinked it and added the mail to the email address. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And here are some other guides that might find useful.